Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Security and Privacy or Biometrics and Password. This is where Fingerprint's live. You must authenticate with your PIN, pattern, or password so the phone allows changes. Once authenticated, tap Fingerprints to see enrolled prints. Make sure the phone is on and you have quick access to your security code. You will need it right away to edit or delete entries. You now see a list of enrolled fingerprints labeled with numbers or names. Tap the specific entry you want to remove. Once selected, a menu appears with Edit and Delete or Remove. Choose Delete and then confirm when the system asks to prevent accidental removal. Make sure to read the confirmation text, because this action removes biometric access tied to that print. If you have multiple prints, repeat for each unwanted print before leaving this menu. After deleting, verify the fingerprint is gone by returning to the fingerprints list. It should no longer appear. Once done, exit Settings, and if the entry still shows due to a software glitch, reboot the phone to refresh system services. If you accidentally remove the only fingerprint and cannot use biometric unlock, use your PIN or password to log back in, and then re-enroll fingerprints. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.